So a standard linear block like this requires re-greasing through the grease nipple. However, this model actually saves you that hassle. Hey, what's up you all? This is May from SHAFTTECH. So many of you have been asking us about maintenance-free linear guides. Are your machines inaccessible for maintenance? Having high downtime and labor costs? Or are you using these expensive auto lubrication pumps? So today, I'll be sharing with you a simple yet elegant solution for that. So this is a linear guide assembly from SHAFTTECH, one of the best linear guide brands in the market. So over here, we have two blocks on a rail, one that is maintenance-free and one that is without. So how can you tell? The one on the right is a typical linear guide block comprising of a carriage, two end seals, and a grease nipple at one end. On the left is what I call a linear guide with a juice pack. This is also integrated with a grey lubrication system, and this is where all the magic happens. So how does this work? This special lubrication system automatically releases oil onto the rail, which is then circulated back into the raceways of the carriage, coating the steel balls within. And what's more amazing is, if there is excess oil on the rail, it will be automatically recycled back into the lubrication system via this process called capillary action. So this ensures that the rail is oiled perfectly at all times. So a standard linear block like this requires re-greasing through the grease nipple after about 2 to 4 weeks of operation. However, this model actually saves you that hassle. Okay, so now let's look at the lubrication system on its own. I have two different sizes of lubrication system catered to different size blocks. So this is the smallest of the standard range, which is size 15. So this actually maintains lubrication performance after 1,500 to 3,000 kilometers of travel, depending on the conditions of the operation. So this is actually quite impressive. So if your application has an automatic grease pump and is running on a high cycle operation, you can actually use this lubrication system with your automatic pump to further ensure lubrication reliability. So, I know what you're thinking next. What happens after the oil depletes? Well, SHAFTTECH has made it extremely easy to replace this lubrication system, and I'm going to show you how. So all you need is an Allen key and the new lubrication system. What you should do first is to start by unscrewing the bolts on the end of the block using the Allen key. Okay, so now I've removed both bolts, and you can now remove the end seal and the lubrication system. So now you take the new lubrication system, place it along the rail, and slide it into your block. So as you can see, this is definitely easier to do it on the rail itself, so it automatically aligns for you. And next, you can take the original end seal, place it back, use the original screws, and screw them back in. So that's the end of our video. Please check out the link in the description below for more information on linear guides. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!